Hey there, friends on YouTube. My name is Roger with Electronics and Gadgets. If this is your first time here, thanks for stopping by. Hit the like and subscribe, please. If you've been here before, thank you. For my next video, I'd like to do one for Samsung Galaxy's S24 Ultra, and this is more of a reminder than any kind of unboxing or whatever. This is more of a reminder update. So Samsung just updated one of their major apps, their voice app, and I just wanted to show everyone how to update that, because again, it's a Samsung app and you have to do it in a different way than going through the Google store. So what you want to do is you want to go to this app, your Samsung Galaxy or your Samsung store, it's called. Go into that, and it just so happens we have 3 more updates here today. So this is, I'll go through these on how to update it. But your Messages app, we're going to backtrack here just for a second. Hang with me here. You want to go into your voice and the cogged wheel, then go down, and that is the most current update. So you want to end in 10.13. If it doesn't, it'll show that you have an update. Okay, so anyway, back to updating that. You go into your Galaxy store, you go into updates, and as of right now, Samsung Wallet has 3 new updates that you always want to keep your phone updated. It's going to keep it running best. It's going to keep new features running. And unfortunately, some of this stuff isn't automatic. Not only that, but some of the stuff I don't want it to be automatic, because if something's changed, I want to know why it's changed, or if something is new, I want to know why it's new. So I don't always subscribe to the updates that are automatic. I like to see what's new. But anyway, you just hit update all. It'll go through and update them, and then everything should disappear out of here, that everything is good and updated. So anyway, that's it. So that's my video on how to update your Samsung Galaxy apps through the Samsung Galaxy store. I hope you found my video to be helpful. Thank you for being here. Please click like and subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment down below. And until next time, I'm out.